Now we have to continue our discussion. We have to discuss about the account standards. We have already discussed about AS, INDAS, and IAS or IFRS. Now we have to continue our discussion. In this session, we have to discuss about the different dimensions of account standards in India. First of all, there was a roadmap in India for the implementation of INDAS. We have to discuss about the detailed roadmap which have been adopted by our government of India to implement INDAS in India. Government of India had implemented INDAS through a detailed roadmap in India. As a first stage, from April 1, 2016, our government had mandated certain companies to follow INDAS in the preparation of their financial statements. From April 1, 2016, certain type of companies had adopted INDAS. What were those companies? Companies listed or in the process of listing on stock exchanges in India or outside India having net worth of more than 5 billion Indian rupees. Those type of companies had adopted or implemented INDAS. In the preparation of their financial statements, likewise, unlisted companies having net worth of more than 5 million Indian rupees and also adopted INDAS. The government had asked those type of companies to implement INDAS instead of AS. Until then, those type of companies had been following AS, Indian account standards, not INDAS, only AS. Please remember, not INDAS, only AS. Until then, up to 31st March 2016, those type of companies had been following AS instruction, but from April 1, 2016, all listed and unlisted companies having net worth of more than 5 million Indian rupees had implemented INDAS in their accounting mechanism. Likewise, all parent, subsidiary, associate, and joint ventures of all listed Indian companies and unlisted Indian companies having net worth of more than 5 million rupees and also adopted INDAS mechanism in their accounting process. Okay. And from April 1, 2017, Government of India had also mandated certain other type of companies to follow INDAS in the accounting mechanism. As per the recommendation of Government of India, all companies which are listed or in the process of listing inside or outside India on stock exchanges not covered in the earlier stage had implemented INDAS in their accounting process. Likewise, in this stage, that means from April 1, 2017, all unlisted companies having net worth of less than 5 million Indian rupees and more than 2.5 billion Indian rupees and also adopted INDAS for the preparation of journal, ledger, trial balance, profit and balance sheet, all its equivalent processes. All unlisted companies having net worth of less than 5 billion Indian rupees and not more than 2.5 billion Indian rupees and adopted INDAS in their accounting mechanism. Likewise, all parent, subsidiary, associate, and joint venture of all unlisted companies having net worth of less than 5 billion Indian rupees and more than 2.5 billion Indian rupees, and also adopted Ind AS as per the recommendation of central government. Government had detailed to them to follow Ind AS as per the instructions of central government. They had adopted Ind AS. From 1st April 2018, all non-banking financial companies having net worth of 500 crore or more had implemented Ind AS instead of AS. Likewise, all holding, subsidiary, joint venture, or associate companies of the above, other than those companies already covered under the corporate roadmap announced by MCA. That means from 1st April 2018, all non-banking financial companies having a net worth of 500 crore or more had implemented Ind AS. Now, in India, all non-banking financial companies have been preparing their financial statement as per Ind AS mechanism, as per Ind AS account standard. Then another major milestone was from 1st April 2019. From 1st April 2019, all Indian companies, all listed companies, all unlisted companies, all non-banking financial companies having a net worth of 250 crore or above had implemented Ind AS in their accounting mechanism. From 1st April 2019, almost all type of joint stock company, including non-banking financial companies having net worth of 250 crores, have implemented Ind AS in the accounting mechanism. Now, all banking companies are outside to the Ind AS mechanism, and all insurance companies are outside to the Ind AS mechanism. As per the previous directions, all banks in India has to be implemented Ind AS in the accounting mechanism from 1st April 2019, but RBI had directed all commercial banks not to follow Ind AS now. Certainly, all commercial banks in India have to be implement Ind AS in the near future. All commercial banks, including Reserve Bank of India, have to implement Ind AS in their normal transactions in the near future. Now, all commercial banks, including Reserve Bank of India, has been preparing their financial statement as per AIS. That means Banking Regulation Act. Now, as per Banking Regulation Act, all commercial banks have prepared their financial statements. Now, Banking Regulation Act and Reserve Bank of India Act and the other AIS standards relevant to the banking sector are relevant to the Reserve Bank of India and the commercial banks. Now, all commercial banks are outside the Ind AS regime. Okay, but in the near future, they have to compulsorily change their account system from AS into Ind AS. Okay. Likewise, all insurance companies under the control of IRDA are now outside the regime of Ind AS. As per the previous directions, all insurance companies, including IRDA, has to convert the accounting mechanism from AS into Ind AS. But as per the recent direction of IRDA, they have not yet implemented Ind AS in their accounting system. Certainly, in a very near future, they have to compulsorily change the accounting system from AS into Ind AS. No doubt about it. Okay. That is the history of Ind AS implementation in India. Now, almost all Indian companies, including non-banking financial companies, except all banking companies and insurance companies, have to follow Ind AS mechanism. Now, the most relevant act with respect to The Ind AS is the company's Indian Accounting Standards Second Amendment Rules 2019. All Indian companies has to follow company's Indian Accounting Standards Second Amendment Rules 2019. Then, what are the relevant accounting standards as per Ind AS? Ind AS 1, presentation of financial statement. Ind AS 2, inventories. Ind AS 7, statement of cash flow. Ind AS 8, accounting policies, changes in accounting estimate and errors. Ind AS 10, events after reporting period. Ind AS 11, construction contract. Ind AS 12, income taxes. Ind AS 8, Ind AS 16, property, plant and equipment. Ind AS 116, leases. Ind AS 18, revenue. Ind AS 19, employee benefit. Ind AS 20, accounting for government grants and disclosure of government assistance. Ind AS 21, defective changes in foreign exchange rate. Ind AS 23, borrowing cost. Ind AS 24, related party disclosure. Ind AS 27, consolidated and separate financial statements. Ind AS 28, investment in associate. Ind AS 29, financial reporting in hyperinflationary economies. Ind AS 31, interest in joint ventures. Ind AS 32, financial instruments presentation. Ind AS 33, earning per share. Ind AS 34, interim financial reporting. Ind AS 36, impairment of asset, etc. Okay, thank you. We may continue our discussion in another session. Okay.